All right, fourth grade, this is the last lesson in chapter 12. This lesson is on determining patterns for measurement units. So let's take a look at what that means. So here's an example. Connect. The table at the right relates yards and feet. Can you think of the numbers in the table, or you can think of the numbers in the table as number pairs? 1 and 3, 2 and 6, 3 and 9, 4 and 12, and 5 and 15 are number pairs. The number pairs show the relationship between yards and feet. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. 2 yards is equal to 6 feet. 3 yards is equal to 9 feet, and so on. Okay, so really this lesson is all about taking a look at these types of tables, and instead of them giving you the units up here, you have to figure it out by just looking at the number pairs. So let's practice one. The table shows a pattern for 2 units of time. This is important to read the directions. I mean, it's always important, but this is going to give you a nice little hint as to what your units are going to be. So these units have to be units of time. Label the columns of the table with the units of time. Think, what unit of time is 24 times as great as another unit? So as you can see, the first number pair is 1 to 24. What is 1 of something equivalent to 24 of something else? Remember, we're thinking of units of time. 1 something is equivalent to 24 of something else. Think. Well, if you still can't figure it out, think of our units of time. We have years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Those are all our units of time we talked about. So what has the relationship 1 to 4? What could we put in the first column and the second column? Ooh, I just thought of it. Check this out. Days and hours. 1 day is equivalent to 24 hours. I guess we can write days there. Yay, we figured it out. 1 day is equivalent to 24 hours. 2 days is equivalent to 48 hours. 3 days is equivalent to 72 hours. 4 days is equivalent to 96 hours. And 5 days, yes, is equivalent to 120 hours. You need to make sure that it works for all of your number pairs. It can be tricky sometimes. Okay, so for your practice problems, it's a short video tonight. Take a look. You have 2 practice problems. 1, the first table, will be units of time again, right? Think of all the units of time we've talked about. Check your notes and think, what has the relationship? 1 of this is equivalent to 7 of another. The second practice problem has to do with liquid volume. It could be US customary or metric, right? It could be gallons, quarts, pints, cups, or it could be liters and milliliters. You have to figure out the relationship. Start with the number pair. 1 of something is equivalent to 4 of what? All right. Have a great night. Use your old notes to help you out with these practice problems.